Listen to a teacher talking to her class about apples. Listen carefully. You will hear the information only once. After listening, you will hear some questions. As you listen, you may use the blank areas in your textbook to take notes. Apples. Have you ever noticed when you're eating an apple that the inside part that's usually white when you first bite into it starts to turn brown after a while? Why does the inside of an apple start to turn brown? Well, it's because of what apples have inside of them. Apples have a lot of iron in them. Iron is a metal. It is also a mineral that's important for our health. It's the iron in the apple that makes it turn brown. When you bite into the apple, oxygen in the air touches the iron in the apple. When this happens, the apple starts to turn brown. Some people call this rusting. You know, just like the rust you might see on an old bicycle or old metal tools. These things get rusty for the same reason. Oxygen in the air touches the iron in the metal. Now, for an apple, the skin protects the inside from touching the air. But once you take a bite and break the skin, the iron and oxygen begin to react with each other. Now, if you don't want to eat brown apples, there are some things you can do to slow down the process. After you cut the apple, you can squeeze lemon juice on it or dip it in a glass of orange juice. Some fruits, such as lemons and oranges, contain citric acid, and citric acid will slow down the browning. You can just put the sliced apple in the refrigerator. Cool temperatures also slow down the process.